Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs and spinach. This simple, nutritious meal is perfect for any time of day and comes together in just a few minutes. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You will need 2 large eggs, about 1 cup of fresh spinach, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter. Make sure you have a small non-stick pan and a spatula ready to go. Now let's get started with the cooking process. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and set the heat to medium. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter to the pan and let it warm up for about 30 seconds. Once the oil is shimmering, add your 1 cup of fresh spinach. Sauté the spinach for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until it has completely wilted down. With the spinach perfectly wilted, it is time to add the eggs. Carefully crack your 2 large eggs directly into the pan, right on top of the spinach. Using your spatula, gently break the yolks and scramble the eggs, incorporating them with the spinach. Continue to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the eggs are set to your preferred level of doneness. You want them cooked through but still moist. Your delicious eggs and spinach are almost ready. Now, it is time to season them. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Give it one final gentle stir to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed. Carefully transfer your freshly cooked eggs and spinach onto a plate. This wholesome and satisfying meal is ready to enjoy in under 10 minutes, offering a fantastic start to your day or a quick, healthy snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.